This week we want to build a Bomberseat. And this is how it's gonna look like. First we're gonna cut out of carton a stencil that looks like this. The sides gonna be 5 millimeters. The back of our seat's gonna be 30 millimeters, the bottom 20 millimeters, and then we have 5 millimeters extra. Each lower part of the sides has 25 millimeters. And the width of our seat is gonna be 20 millimeters. Now we cut out from an old soda can that metal sheet. Be very careful because the edges are sharp like razor blades. Now we transfer our stencil measurements on that metal sheet. Although the scissors don't like it too much, that aluminum can easily be cut with scissors. So now either you leave the paint from the soda can on or you sand it down. Now we need to do a couple bends. First, put the sides in. Now we bend the bottom part like 90 degrees up to the side parts. And the little extra is gonna be about 45 degrees. Now I tried to make some holes with a puncher. Didn't work out. I just left it like this. So you don't have to do it, it's not necessary. But next step is we want to have a little cushion on the bottom. I cut that out of soft foam, and of course I made a little pattern in so it looked not too plain. Just took a toothpick and made some lines in and poke some rivets, so to speak, in there. And that's the place where we can glue on the metal sheet, which is our next step. Now a last trim. There you have it, our little Bomberseat. But this was the tip of this week.